My tumble dryer icd75 is working but cold, not heating up to dry clothes. I tried cleaning filters.
Hiya, can you check the model number please? Is this an Indesit machine? Any light showing that would suggest a problem? Thanks. Yes, it's an Indesit model ig75. No light, sounds okay and is working but only cold. I cleaned the filter and tried again but still only cold. Air.its about 3 years old. Hiya, okay, thanks for that. Unplug the appliance. Take the bulged panel on the rear off. This will expose the heater and on top, the thermostats. Looking from the rear, check the left-hand one. You need to have, and be able to use, a multimeter to test it. If it's open circuit, look for a tiny hole on the back between the wires. If it's there, use a pin to gently press in and reset the thermostat. If no hole, we'll need to get new thermostats. Check it out, see what you find and get back to me. Let me know what you find. Thanks.
Okay, I will have to wait for someone to help me move it as it is jammed in under the worktop.
Hiya, no problem. Thanks.
I managed to pull it out, but before I take the back off, what's a multimeter? Is there any point in going any further without this?
Hiya, okay, if you have to ask what it is, you won't know how to use one. Unplug the appliance and take the cover off. Check the heater elements aren't broken. If they are, you need a new heater. When you get to the thermostats, take the wires off of the left one. Temporarily link the wires together and insulate. Loosely refit the cover and try the dryer. Does it heat? If it does, you need new thermostats. Don't use the dryer with the thermostat bypassed, it's a safety device and is required. Thanks.
I will take the back off and see how it looks.
Hiya, okay, thanks.
I have taken all the screws out but can't get the back off. It seems to be stuck on. There is some type of insulating around that is gluing it on.
Hiya, yes, there's a sticky seal. You just pull the panel off. Thanks.
Okay. It looks like one of the element bars are broken.
Hiya, okay. You'll need a new heater to sort the problem out. You can get parts from www.forindesit.co.uk or www.aspares.co.uk or a host of other suppliers. You'll also need the side panel off to get to the wiring. Hope this helps, thanks.
I think I might just buy a new one. Thanks for your help, bye.
Hiya, you're welcome. Good luck with the new appliance. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.